Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kim. As you can see, after installing the wire, this case cover is very sturdy and comfortable. Product details are printed on the back of the box. Now I will peel the box of this Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 case to see what's inside. In addition to the back cover, we also have an additional guidebook. As you can see, the product is made from high-quality polymer material with a carbon rim to create the unique beauty of the case. Behind the back cover there's a handy support bar. This support bar will help you free your hands to watch movies or work better. The camera frame of the case cover generator protects the rear camera of the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Designed with extremely precise details to create a sense of comfort for the user. Although the case is quite thick, we can still use wireless charging. Thank you for watching and supporting Shop Less Than 3's channel. Do not forget to click the subscribe button, and if it feels good, please share it to let others know.